Today we're going to walk through the block ticketing feature that just came out. So this would be for things like golf tournaments, or in our case, a gala dinner where we want to allow people to purchase a table of 10 or a table of 8 or something along those lines. Or, in the golf tournament, something like a foursome. So we click get your seats. We have our standard VIP tickets, guest tickets, but then we have a table of 10 right here. So I can click on table of 10. Now the experience for the attendee is going to be pretty straightforward. It's going to do things like ask for first name, last name, email. And then it'll just ask for service questions, but it's only collecting the information of that first individual. So it's not asking for everyone's information, just that first person. Click continue, and then it's going to take us through to payment as well. So just finishing up the payment, and then we'll see what this looks like on the back end and how Donald here is going to be able to manage all of the attendees. A couple things to note is that the setup is done on the event item itself. So when we look inside Salesforce in a minute, we're going to see the different tables that we have available to us. I'm going to complete this registration, and we'll see what it looks like in Salesforce in a minute. Okay, so now that we're on our event, we can go ahead and take a look at our attendees. So I'll open our attendees here. And if we scroll down, we'll see that we do have Donald Douglas here. Donald is registered. And if we scroll over, we can see all of the other individuals in Donald's attendee group. So what we're now able to do is click on Donald's record, and in the confirmation email, we'll send out the attendee link. The attendee link will now have the ability for us to close this, edit our group. So here we can see the guests, guest 10, guest 2, guest 3, so on and so forth. And I can click this edit pencil. And when I do, it's going to pop up the information for these individuals. So Donald's going to be able to manage all of these people. So instead of guest test, I can go ahead and enter some information. So let's do and you'll notice it's the same questions that we asked during the registration. So you can determine if all these are required or not. But then we hit save, and that's now going to send this information into Salesforce. And if I'm Donald and I want to add other individuals, I go ahead, click this pencil, and continue to add and iterate on my total guest count.